So, it's Thursday, and, oh, sweet Jesus, it is kind of a blizzard. So, it's like 7:20 in the morning. I think it's like 7:15. I'm usually not even up by now, but I have to go write a reading comp test for English. So I'm out trekking through the snow because it's April and apparently Alberta thinks that it could just have blizzards. And, well, it shouldn't because I'm cold. And there is snow in my ankles and it's just a grand old time. So I got another challenge from Melissa, which it's the only challenges I've gotten is from Melissa, but it's pretty cool. And it was if you had to battle with a Harry Potter character, who would it be? Well, I would definitely team up with Neville Longbottom because he is my favorite Harry Potter character by far. I don't know why, he just is. And maybe Hermione, because I like her. Okay. And then I would probably fight, and we would win, obviously, because Neville. Yeah. And we would wear those sweater vests and be like matching. It'd be cool. Anyway, we would fight that, what's that guy's name? He's blonde. And I always think that Snape's his father, but he's not. It's that black-haired kid, guy. Man, no, the blonde guy. That would make sense. What's his name? I'm gonna put a picture of him because I can't think of his name. And yeah, we'd fight him and we would win. Okay? Okay. People are probably looking at me weird again because first of all, I'm filming. Second of all, my pants are awesome. And third of all, my bus stop is covered. So, it's just so snowy out that my bus stop is covered. Okay, my name is Super Mega Foxy Awesome Hot because I'm not tired. Surprisingly enough, at 7:20 in the morning, I came out to the bus stop early today so I could film my entire video, which is weird, but oh well. Yeah, I'm not tired, so that's pretty awesome. It's a little bit dampened because it's a frickin' blizzard, but whatever. Like seriously, yesterday it was nice and no snow. Like, no snow. Now, there is snow up the gazing. And you know there's a lot of snow when it's up the gazing, I'm just saying. Also, Melanie, hi. Never met you, ever. I don't even think I've seen you. So, hi. Yeah. What do I have to, oh, theme of the week. Theme of the week. I'm glad I remembered this week. It's dance week. So, I'm going to put a clip, I guess, of me dancing. Pretty amazingly, I might just add. I'll put that in now. Yep, that was my dances. And you're jealous, I'm sure. Okay, my challenge for the person I roll is to tell us about your 3 favorite YouTubers and tell us why you like them, and if you can, include clips of them so that we can like see, because I don't think I watched like Robin and Adair. I think they like this guy named I Am So Cool, like, not sure, but yeah, so I think it'd be cool to like see who you guys like to watch stuff, because I'm sure my favorites are way different than your favorites. But yeah, so I'll roll there's a man on a bike. I will roll and put that in now. My favorite YouTuber is Phil DeFranco, as you can see by my shirt. I also love SourceFed, but I'm still a fan of Phil DeFranco. A lot of people have left Phil DeFranco for SourceFed, but I don't get why they do that, because Phil DeFranco started it, and Phil DeFranco is much just, I don't know, he's better. Anyway, and my third favorite YouTuber is StarofMay, which is a lady that makes cards. What she does, and she films it, and I've watched hundreds of her videos, and GFTBA and Adara, I will see you tomorrow.